Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out 5 popular NETANY products from stylish glass pitchers to baby spoons to see which ones are actually worth your money. Let's jump right in. Number 1. 2-pack 1-gallon square glass pitchers. If you're tired of bulky round pitchers taking up fridge space, these square borosilicate glass pitchers are a smart upgrade. Each pitcher holds a full gallon and handles both hot and cold drinks, from iced tea to freshly brewed coffee. The stainless steel lid rotates between a built-in strainer and a wide opening for fruit-infused drinks. Pros: durable borosilicate glass, space-saving square design, works with hot and cold beverages, dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Cons: more expensive than plastic pitchers, glass still requires careful handling. If you entertain guests often or prep drinks ahead of time, these pitchers are an excellent choice. Number 2. Set of 4 square glass carafes. These elegant 1-liter glass carafes are perfect for brunch tables, mimosa bars, or everyday cold drinks. The thick glass construction feels sturdy, and the leak-proof lids help keep beverages fresh. Decorative wooden tags are also included for labeling different drinks. Pros: great value 4-pack, thick, durable glass, attractive design for parties, fits easily inside refrigerator doors. Cons: not suitable for boiling water, plastic lids may not appeal to everyone. For anyone who loves hosting brunches or organizing beverages, this set looks much more. Number 3. NETANY 12-inch shower squeegee. Cleaning shower doors doesn't have to be annoying. This stainless steel squeegee uses a thick rubber blade that removes water in a single pass without streaks or squeaky noises. It also comes with an adhesive holder for convenient storage. Pros: rust-resistant stainless steel, completely streak-free cleaning, comfortable non-slip handle, works on mirrors, tiles, and car windows. Cons: adhesive holder may not stick well on textured surfaces, only available in limited colors. It's a simple cleaning tool, but one that genuinely makes bathroom maintenance easier. Number 4. Extra thick kneeling pad 2-pack. Whether you're gardening, exercising, bathing a baby, or fixing your car, these kneeling pads offer impressive comfort. At 1.5 inches thick, the foam cushions your knees without flattening over time. Plus, they're waterproof and easy to rinse clean. Pros: extra thick cushioning, large non-slip design, lightweight and portable, great for multiple activities. Cons: foam surface can collect dirt outdoors, may feel bulky for travel. If your knees hurt after kneeling on hard floors, these pads are definitely worth considering. Number 5. 6-pack silicone baby spoons. These first-stage feeding spoons are designed specifically for babies learning to self-feed. Made from food-grade silicone, they're BPA-free, flexible, dishwasher-safe, and gentle on sore gums and emerging teeth. Pros: safe food-grade silicone, short size prevents deep insertion, flexible bendable handles, easy to clean and boil sterilize. Cons: slightly soft for thicker foods, older toddlers may outgrow them quickly. Parents introducing solids will appreciate how safe, simple, and affordable these spoons are. So, which NETANY product impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.